What is up, guys? How's it going? Just wanted to do a quick little intro to this one. Guessing if you've seen my last video, you can totally guess what we're doing. Axle back install, that's right. It is a Blox racing axle back. It is the cheapest axle back I can actually find. Just kind of trying to get a little bit more sound out of her for not trying to break the bank. Some of them were crazy expensive. I wasn't about to spend that much money for just an axle back. Maybe when I go mid-pipe and stuff, I'll go ahead and get what I want, like double walled, that sort of thing, the blue tips. But as of right now, just what was in my budget, I definitely went with this guy. It's not too bad. I know I'm butchering the name. It's Blox Racing. You know, I figured it's an axle back. You can't really go wrong with an axle back. Mostly it's just tubing. I'm sure the materials make it sound different. You know, the angle of the curve probably gives it a different tone, that sort of thing. But for my application, this is perfect. Kind of excited to see how she sounds. So we're just waiting for rolling up pretty quick. So we'll let you know. Alright guys, first things first, I'm going to go ahead and put the car on ramps, so it'll give it a little bit of time to cool down. Alright guys, I'm just going to grab a few things that I think I'm going to need.
Sure did pick the perfect time. It's only like 97 degrees out here. But to be honest, just got off work. Ain't gonna wait to install these bad boys.
If I could remember where I put them. It's probably metric. So these are our weapons of choice. The only reason I got... Gonna go ahead and spray some WD-40 on these little guys. I feel like that's gonna be the hardest. And like I was saying in my boxing, they didn't have the little nub, but apparently the stock ones don't either. So it should actually be fine. But I'm gonna go ahead and spray them off real quick and see what happens. I'm sure he'll give a little couple pops. Look at that clean little RS. Ooh, I knew he was gonna do a little bit. What's up, man?
What up, what up?
Welcome to the vlog. Just wanted to introduce you. This is Mondo.
Oh,
and this is Maverick. Wow, I should have got that on camera. That was the first one.
Size sucker you got there, Nate?
This one is a 14, my man. And it's about to get popping.
So it's just kind of one right there.
And then this top little rubber mount, I don't know if you can see it. And then there's one more. It's gonna be a pain in the butt because I can't see it. I need to go.
Oops. Well, that's how that comes out.
Let's see. There's one. That was actually super easy.
There's a rubber mount there that he was struggling with, and then the rubber mount there.
Time for the other one.
So nothing crazy, just 2 bolts, huh? That's it.
That's it.
And this big old hunk comes out. Dang, that's so crazy, the size difference.
This one's a little tighter.
You're gonna let her breathe.
That one was way tight. Get this little guy out. Don't forget to take that out.
That was hanging out just inside of here.
So then, I should have sprayed him with WD-40 first. Make it a little easier. Or you just spit on it. So, legit, that's what I'm gonna do. Just like that. So then, you grab 2 new bolts and a gasket.
So here, I can just help you hold it up while you're doing your thing, you know what I mean?
Perfect. Oh.
There you go.
Put those guys down.
Let me see what it looks like on the back for fitment.
Bro.
I'm down. It sounds dope.
Dude.
I think I'm backfiring now.
Oh,
I feel like it wanted to. Did you put it in sport mode or no?
No, I didn't. Let me see.
Come here. Get out of that. Exhaust is not good for your face. I feel like it wants to so bad.
Exactly. We may not get a backfire yet.
Oh, I'm jealous.
Oh, I love it so far.